Welcome to another quick breath work, this time a journey through nature. Now find a comfortable position. Close your eyes or lower your gaze and breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Continue to breathe in this manner. Imagine yourself in a beautiful summer night's forest with tall trees and shimmering moonlight. Put your feet hard against the floor. Feel yourself grounding to the earth. Allow yourself to sink in and relax. Continue to breathe. Imagine the gentle rustling of the leaves around you and the call of the night creatures. Let these images, one by one, as you breathe, take you into deeper relaxation. This is your space to let go and simply be.